Today we are going to look at multiplying fractions. When multiplying fractions, the process is pretty straightforward. You will find that the new numerator or top number is a product of the two numerators, and the new denominator or bottom number is the product of the two denominators. First, we are going to look at multiplying 3 over 5 times 6 over 7. Step 1. We multiply the numerators, which will be 3 times 6. Step 2, we multiply the denominators, which will be 5 times 7. So 3 times 6 will equal 18, and 5 times 7 will equal 35. So your answer will be 18 over 35.
Next, we are going to look at multiplying 5 over 6 times 2 over 3. Step 1. We multiply the numerators, which will be 5 times 2. Step 2. We multiply the denominators, which will be 6 times 3. So, 5 times 2 is going to equal 10, and 6 times 3 will equal 18. So, your answer will be 10 over 18. Step 3. Simplify your answer. If we have to simplify the answer, then we need to find a common factor. When we look at the fraction, we see that both numbers are divisible by 2. If we want it in lowest terms, we will divide both numbers by 2. So, 10 divided by 2 equals 5, and 18 divided by 2 equals 9. So your simplified answer is 5 over 9.
Now we are going to look at multiplying 1 over 4 times 5. Step 1. Rewrite the whole number as a fraction. So we will write 1 over 4 times 5 over 1. Step 2. Multiply the fractions. We multiply 1 times 5 for our numerators. Then we multiply 4 times 1 for our denominators, which gives us 5 over 4. Step 3. Change improper fraction to a mixed fraction. To change the improper fraction to a mixed number, we have to divide the top number by the bottom number. We know that 5 divided by 4 is 1, and we have 1 left over, or remainder 1, and our denominator will stay the same. So our mixed fraction will be 1 and 1/4.
Now we are going to multiply mixed numbers. Step 1. Convert each mixed number to improper fractions. To do this, we multiply the denominator by the whole number. Then we add the numerator. Then we'll do the same for the next number. 2 times 2 equals 4, plus 1 would be 5. So if we continue, it shows the process here. So our final number was 7, and our final number here was 5. You would then place 7 over 4, your original denominator, and 5 would go over 2. So your final answer is 7/4 times 5 over 2. Step 2, multiply the fractions. To do this, multiply the two numerators and then the two denominators. So 7 times 5 equals 35, and 4 times 2 equals 8. Step 3, convert back to mixed numbers. To do this, divide 35 by 8. 8 goes into 35 4 times, which is 32. So we have a remainder of 3. We would put that remainder over the original denominator, which is 8. So your final answer is 4 and 3/8.